Hi friends, I'm Jeannie with Country Family Values and I'm glad you're here. Today we're making jerk chicken in the Instant Pot. Now the first thing I want to tell you guys is this is a milder version than the authentic. My family just can't handle that heat. Anyway, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is turn on the saute and I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of oil. I'm using grapeseed oil in case you guys need to know that. Put my chicken back in there. I'm going to turn my saute off. Add the rest of my spices. This is 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. I'll give that a stir a little bit to try to get some of those spices blended in. Make sure it's in the sealing position. Now I'm going to select manual or pressure cook and set it for 15 minutes. One of the things that I like to do is to debone the chicken and put it back in the broth. And hit the saute button a little bit and just kind of let it absorb the flavors.